Let's see how to copy and paste images from Google into Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, copying and pasting images from an outside source is as simple as clicking copy and paste. Now, to do that, click on open your browser, head on to Google. Now, search for your image. Let's search for pictures of dogs. For example, now click on images right here and select your image. Now let's go ahead and click this picture, right click on it and click on copy image. That will automatically copy the image to your dashboard. Now head on back to your document and click paste, such as this. And that will paste the picture based on the dimensions that you copied it from. To make it even faster, you can simply click on Ctrl V, and that will do the same thing. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.